Why it is so important to experience reasoning as well as DI is that when you do your first 20 questions on any question type or first 15-20 sets of questions, you'll see every question throws up something new, either a new clue or a new data structure or a new kind of calculation in DI, etc. But after you finish your first 20, 30, 40 sets, you'll start realizing that it starts becoming repetitive. The language in a DI question becomes repetitive, the clue in a reasoning question becomes repetitive, the calculation becomes repetitive, the data structure becomes repetitive. So as I was telling a group of students in a class of mine that CAT 2019, for example, gave a pie chart which was called a layered pie chart, in which there are 3 layers. Now a lot of people got confused with how to read a layered pie chart because they've never seen anything like that. Now my question is to people preparing for CAT is how many times can a layered pie chart surprise you in your life? Once, twice, but not the third time. So if you work it out कि कैसे layered pie chart को पढ़ना चाहिए, तो then there's no issue in terms of the data presentation ever in your life. तुमको 10 बार layered pie chart पे question आ जाएगा, तुम 10 बार solve कर लोगे. So through these experiences, what you are trying to do, and that number is around 300 sets in LR, and you have to get to around 300 sets in DI, and DI has to be broken into 2 parts. Logical DI and traditional DI. Broadly, if I have to talk about it in one line, traditional DI is DI which is mostly dependent on extracting data and putting into formulas and calculating, while logical DI requires a lot of analysis and a lot of processing from your side before you get to the answer.